everyone. I'm Lonnie from Glosshouz near Park Meadows, and we're a day spa center. We offer lots of treatments. We were established in May 2016. We opened on Mother's Day, and we've just been providing lots of variety of services for our guests. We have the BFF Savings Program. If you're going to come every now and then, it's your best deal to get half off your services. Today we're doing our annual open house and early holiday party. So it's super exciting and lots of fun. We'll be giving prize drawings for all the people that attend today every 15 minutes. And we'll be giving away Botox, fillers, spa services like massage, facial, and also hairstyling products, makeup. We have food, beverages, and they're giving away another drawing right now, so very exciting.